Hello WordPress nerds. So this is the product update of LearnDash mass notification. So if you don't know how this plugin works, here is the video. Uh, you can check this video first and then come back on this video. So this link is given into the description section. So now in the new update, we have provided send email to all feature. Previously we were sending emails to particular course progress user, but now you can send emails to all enrolled user to a particular course. So for that you just need to update this plugin, and this is a pro feature. So now let me show you how this works. So this is my local site and I have already installed pro plugin, LearnDash Mass Notification Pro. So once you install this plugin, you will have this settings page. So let's go to the setting, and here we will select a course. So previously we were providing the range of the course progress so that you can send emails to those particular users only, but you were not able to send a common email to all the users. But now it is possible. All you just need to do is select this option, then it will calculate the user. So let's wait for that. This button will not active until the user calculation. So now this course has 135 users, so now we can send email. So let's send email. So it should send 135 emails. So let's wait for the progress to complete. So it says email sent. Let's click OK and it will be automatically refreshed. Now we will see the email log, as this is the local site. So as you can see, 135 items. So this is how this feature works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thank you.